Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Six Man. You can see we got the IS right here. We got the E36 right here, man. The E36 has not moved in a couple of months, man. You know, the E36 kind of just sits and hibernates throughout the winter, and this car gets all the attention in the winter. This car just has the battery disconnected, just sitting here. I wiped it down the other day because it was covered in dust, but it's clean right now, which is good. And you know, the car's still looking good, as you can see. Still got style 32s up front. You know, we got the weds in the rear, the chromies. That's pretty fire. Today we're gonna just go take a quick little POV drive in the E92, and I'm gonna show you guys the updates we did on the car, because we did make a few changes since the last video where we installed the wheels. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice. Sheesh. I'm gonna take my little favorite back roads over here and just get a little cruising. Take it easy right now till the motor kind of warms up a bit. But I do want to show you guys the car, because since you guys last saw it, we did quite a bit of work on it. You know, me and Will, well, not quite a bit of work, but put the wheels on. Me and Will, we adjusted my coilovers in the rear, so we maxed the BCs in the rear. BC coilovers are as low as they can be in the rear. The front, we left alone, kind of the out-of-the-box fitment, because it still looks pretty good. So we kind of just left the out-of-the-box fitment where it was. So now the rear is sitting pretty low, and it's sitting pretty nice with the apexes, of course, and it looks great, man. I'm really enjoying these wheels. I'm glad I got these wheels as my choice of wheel. So I'll show you guys how the car's looking, but so far, I mean, the car's just been a great daily. Got a couple of plans coming up for it in the next couple of weeks. I got my oil pan gasket, so I'm gonna go over the wheel spot here soon, maybe next week or the week after. It's supposed to be like 15 degrees out here next week, so I don't really wanna work on the car next week, unfortunately. So we got downpipes. Now we just need an intercooler, because we already have a charge pipe. So we get an intercooler, we'll have downpipes, intercooler, and we'll be stage 2 MHD. So that'll be soon, probably in the month of February is when we'll get that handled, February or March. But until then, just gonna continue doing our maintenance on the car. So gonna knock out the oil pan. That'll be kind of the last maintenance item I need to do. I've done so much, I've done a lot. I've done almost everything except for like solenoids and some of the things that I think you do once the car is, you know, at a higher mileage point, like closer to 100 than where I am. Like I haven't walnut blasted it or done rod bearings or any of that type of stuff. So I've just been enjoying it as a daily, and the E36 has just been kind of sitting at the house, just waiting for the weather to warm up and for me to give it some attention, because I do have a lot of plans for that car as well. I'm gonna get new coilovers for it. I'm gonna roll the fenders, might slot my buckets, try to run some more camber in the rear, try to really tuck those weds up in how I want them to. The weds got rubbed up on because my current coils were so shot that the car was just bouncing on this road trip to Galdenberg the whole time, and the rear right was just rubbing on the wheel and the lip the whole time. The fender was rubbing on the wheel when it would bounce and hit things like that. So I fucked up the lip on my weds already on one of them. So I gotta get that repaired. We'll roll our fenders, and hopefully we can run that wheel and send that car how I really want to send it, you know what I mean? I like when it's cold out though, because it takes this car longer to heat up. In the summertime, this car gets hot so quickly. I mean, the N54s just run hot, so it makes sense. But, well, we're starting to get some temp in the motor. The UPS man. These houses are nice over here. Sheesh. And that Porsche was flying. I love driving this car though, but it's just the perfect daily at the stock level where it is now. You don't have to worry about all the problems and whatnot, or whatever the case may be when you have a lot of power. It's just a really calm car, man. I love it. Okay. So I just want to show you guys the car in its current state. The E92, man. I love this car. It's just such a beautiful car, bro. So here's the 335 IS right now in its current state. You know, we still got the apexes on deck. So the changes that we made or I don't know if you guys can tell. Look at the car on the side view. So we maxed the rear. So this is as low as the BCs will go on the rear. So we got about an inch to the lip of the wheel. That's about that's the maximum low you can get out of these BCs on the E92 with the stock spring. With the perch maxed all the way out. I didn't remove the perch. If I removed the perch completely, I probably could get that inch. I could get that inch back. Possibly could have a 5mm spacer up here, but I mean, I don't know. It's good enough to me right now where I'm not rushing to change it. Well, my camera keeps dying because I'm an idiot and forgot to charge it, so I gotta head back to the crib now. But the motor's warmed up now, so since we lowered the rear suspension and maxed it out, we stiffened the shocks up all the way, so the rear end is much more bouncy. The shocks being, I went halfway to hard. They were like kind of in the middle out of the box, so I adjusted the shocks to halfway to hard in the rear, so that the rear is definitely a lot more bumpy now than the front. I mean, the front's pretty soft still. Definitely takes some getting used to. My camera keeps dying though. I should have charged it, man. I'm pissed. Can't wait till this car is tuned. Ah! I want to pop. My camera keeps dying every time I try to take a clip, so get the last couple food pulls in. I don't have room. I keep plugging my camera back into my console and it's letting me take like 20-second clips before it dies again. So it's probably gonna die here shortly. Sorry I couldn't get as much content as I wanted to. I'm gonna definitely charge it up and get some more content the day I go over to Will's house to do my oil pan. Will got an F82 actually, an M4. It's super nice, bro. It's so clean. It's mint, bro. Low miles. He got it for a steal. Definitely get some content of that. Get some pulls with him. Get a ride along with him in the next video for sure. Till next time, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. I appreciate you guys for watching this one. It's your boy Six. Stay blessed, man. Stay blessed.